Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video today, and this one is going to be a little bit different, something I've never done before. We're going to be trying lash extensions together, and lately I've just been super into keeping it as natural as possible. So I watched a couple of videos and I've really been curious to try lash extensions that will last up to maybe 2 weeks or something. And I got all my supplies from Amazon, so everything is from Kiss, like from the Falscara range. This is like the Bond and Seal Falscara thing from Kiss. I guess you use the bond to apply before the lashes, and then you apply the clusters, and then you seal it in with the other side, and they're supposed to last 2 weeks or something. And these are the lash clusters I got also from Kiss. They're called Look So Natural Trio Lash Medium Combo. I've never tried this, so I am a little bit nervous, but I watched enough videos to gather myself to actually try this on myself, and of course I'm gonna film it for you guys. And I also got the remover from the same Falscara range by Kiss, and it's supposed to be really easy to take off. These lash clusters are really small, which is why I'm sitting in front of my mirror today, so that I can really see myself in front of the mirror and go super close and show you guys the entire process. There are two lengths here, there's short and there's medium. I'll do the medium ones at the end and the short ones maybe in the center because I want the cat eye effect. I'm gonna try and make do with these tweezers and apply the lashes in clusters. Before I start anything, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes because I feel like my lashes are really straight. So I'm just gonna use my lash curler and make sure they're quite lifted. Now I can see my natural lashes while they're lifted compared to this side. Now I'm gonna go with the Bond from Kiss and make sure my lashes are well coated. Just gonna make sure each and every lash is coated and not clumpy. I'm just trying to brush everything out to make sure there are no clumps. So my lashes are lifted and primed, and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the clusters. So I've got one cluster here. I'm gonna try and apply them under. There is one. Now I'm just gonna press it down with my natural lashes. I'm gonna be really careful with this. I'm gonna repeat the process and apply second cluster. This is how it looks so far. I really like the results. I love how natural they look, but still giving me some volume and lift. I'm gonna use my third cluster. That's 3 down, and I'm making sure to press them down. I'm gonna go with a shorter one for my 5th cluster. So this is what my extensions look like with 5 clusters. So yeah, that's what my extensions look like. I really like how they look. They are so natural but still giving me a little bit of volume. And now I'm gonna use the other end, which is Seal from the same Falscara, and I'm just gonna make sure it's all sealed together. I'm gonna do one coat under. I'm gonna go over as well. Just want to brush it nice to make sure there are no clumps. But yeah, this is the finished result. Yeah, I really love how they look. I did the other eye off camera, so this is what the extensions look like on both my eyes together. And you can see from the top it looks so natural. It's so well blended, and it's not like over the top, but it's still giving my lashes the really natural volume that I really want. But yeah, that was actually so easy. It took just as much time as I would with regular falsies. I'm hoping it should last me at least maybe 10-12 days. Maybe I'll make another video with updates on how long this lasted, how I wear it through the week. I feel like my eyes already look so much brighter and bolder, as you can see in the close-up. But yeah, that's how you can achieve natural looking lash extensions at home, DIY false lash extensions. And I actually really enjoyed making this video, making something different for a change. So let me know if you guys enjoyed watching this video and if you learned something new. And that's it for this video, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on all my socials. Everything will be in the description as usual. You guys know the drill, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.